Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I am wearing my boyfriend button-down shirt. I purchased this boyfriend shirt because I wanted a cute swimsuit cover-up that was a little more on the modest side. You can easily style it with a fedora straw sun hat and some beach slides, and it instantly becomes a cute tropical vacation outfit. I love how the material is not too see-through. The long sleeve blouse provides a level of sun protection, and the material is light and breathable. The cuff sleeves add a touch of detail, creating a laid-back yet put-together aesthetic, and it allows you to customize the sleeve length based on your preference. It has a loose fit, which feels comfortable while still maintaining a polished look. So if you're looking for a versatile button down that effortlessly elevates your everyday look, this shirt is an excellent choice. And that's my point of view.